Hello, everybody. Let's learn this song, World of Pots and Pans by Horse Girl. I'm using my K-Line Englishman pedal, which is like a Marshall amp, preamp. That's the distortion sound I'm getting. And the song is a good one for beginners. We start out on the E power chord. So you just play it like an E minor, and you just play like the top 2 or 3 strings. And Bill was my brand new friend. Bill was. They're just hitting like 1, 2, and then letting it ring. 1, 2, and letting it ring. And then this is the song with a refrain rather than a chorus. It's got a refrain. So the refrain chords are G minor. That's your 4th fret. Play this minor shape, or you could think of it as playing a power chord. Then we go F sharp, which is 2nd fret, and then back to E. And during the refrain, they go double time. The drums do. The drums go double time. All right, that's a good beginner song. The concept with power chords is you play them with distortion, and that creates a very big sound, even though you're only playing 2 notes or 3